Harley Davidson just released 4 new models, and in this video, I'm quickly going over them. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos, product reviews, and sometimes I talk about the latest motorcycles themselves. Be sure to subscribe for more like this. Let's go. Now, each of these bikes features that Milwaukee-Eight 117, which Harley calls their most powerful factory-installed engine. First, let's go over these new baggers for 2022. So for this year, Harley introduced the Street Glide ST and the Road Glide ST models. The goal was to raise performance of these baggers, much like those featured in the MotoAmercia King of the Baggers race. Both of these bikes come with cruise control, reflex-link Brembo brakes with ABS. These bikes also feature trimmed-down front fenders and standard-length saddlebags. Also, they have a heavy breather intake with a forward-facing exposed air cleaner that emphasizes performance. The Road Glide ST achieves the same attitude of the Screamin' Eagle Championship winning race bike. It's got a shark nose front fairing that features a split stream vent to help deflect more wind efficiently. The dark windshield also holds dual Daymaker LED lamps with an impressive beam that lights up any road. This bike also has a low-profile engine guard up front. The Street Glide ST features that famous Harley Batwing fairing. Like the Road Glide, it also has a split stream vent to better deflect wind. This bike also has side fuel filling and has that low profile engine guard. Next, let's talk the new Lowrider S and the Lowrider ST models. Both of these new models offer the taut handling performance of the Harley Softail chassis and the V-twin muscle of the Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain. The Lowrider ST features a look inspired by the tall bike craze in California. It has the rider sitting on top of the bike rather than reclined and low like most other cruisers. Harley really focused on the FXRT inspired fairing, which is frame mounted. It features triple fixed split stream vents that make it aerodynamic at highway speeds. It's also got a 6-inch high windshield that has a dark smoke tint, and it holds a single LED headlamp. The engine is mounted to the frame to further enhance the chassis stiffness. This bike is also equipped with a taller rear monoshock, which raises the rear of the motorcycle. Now, the Lowrider S comes with a new handlebar-mounted combination analog tachometer and speedometer. This replaces the tank console instruments as seen on previous models. This bike features the same taller rear monoshock featured on the Lowrider ST model, which raises the rear of the motorcycle. Other features of this motorcycle include West Coast styling elements like a deep solo seat, mid-mounted foot controls, and a color-matched speed fairing that frames the headlamp and blocks winds at highway speeds. It's got aluminum cast wheels and has a blacked out front end, powertrain, and exhaust. Pretty cool. Let me know which model you think is the best down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.